na.
Contestant number 2, Yuri Diwata Pasaway. Who is not
Hay.
Jason
Hindi, rampa
Tae.
muna kami dyan.
Ay, rampa ka? O yun na yun. O, rampa ulit. Rampa na. Saan ba yung
Okay. Ano yung matupad?
Number 1. Jason Tae. Yuri Diwata Pasaway. Clap, 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 everybody.
Yay!
O, lakpakan po natin ang mga bakat nilang nota. Ready na po ba kayo sa question and answer? Madam?
Yes, I'm so nervous, but I'm ready. Alam mo muna yung takanta.
You like the show? O change channel?
Next. Lipat ka na nga.
Ito na po ang purpose ng Miss Jason.
With question pa talaga.
Ito po ang inyong tanong na matino. Thank you for your wonderful question. Ano daw? Pais ka na. Ready na po ba kayo sa question and answer? It's English because Russell is here.
Thank
you.
And you have to answer in English.
Cut.
What's your question?
I'm here.
If you were given a chance to live again, what and who would you like to be and why? Please
Ano?
answer in 10 seconds.
Ano ba?
Sorry, you lose. If you were given a chance to live again, what and who would you like to be and why?
Okay, thank you so much for that wonderful question. The question
Di mo
that
kita
burdened
realize,
my
Miss
shoulder is
Vivian,
that if I
Di mo
will be
kita
given a
realize.
chance to live again, what would be am I and why? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have only one life. We must always live life to the fullest.
Except
But then
for
again,
yourself. You have to choose other.
but
Or
then again,
else, you
Tingnan mo
lose.
siya. But then again, ladies and gentlemen, if I am asked who am I to live again, it is definitely my mother. Because ladies and gentlemen, as a human being, as a gay in this society,
Seryoso naman.
I know that for a fact, it is hard for the mother or the parents to accept us. But my mother accepts me for who I am, and my mother accepts me for what I did. Because of that, I certainly believe that my mother will always be the best and the best people that I will encounter, and if I will be reincarnated, it is always
Sa'yo
my
yan.
mother who loved me from what I am. That will be all. Thank you.
Iyan po ang Ingleserang albularyong bakla.
Very good.
Now in English.
Nakakain ng dahon ng bayabas.
Jason, now in English.
English yon.
Number 2, Yuri. Diwata Pasaway. This is your question. Keep. Thank you. What is your greatest fear and goal in life? Can you please explain it? Answer it and explain it.
A pleasant evening, my dear friends. The question goes this way. What is my fear in life? And what is my goal in life? First and
Bakit ang dali ng kanya?
First and foremost, what is my fear? I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that every person living in this world has their own fear, has their own goal. But in my case, in my opinion, my personal fear is the fear of death. Why did I say so, ladies and gentlemen? Because when death occurs in our lives, then definitely we cannot do the things that we used to do when we are alive. Therefore, secondly, my goal, the best thing that I would like to do and my goal in this life is for us, homosexual, transgenders, bisexuals, lesbian, to be accepted 100% in this life with 100% love, respect, and I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that in this life we are all created by our omnipotent Father, equally divided.
Impotent father.
Omnipotent. Always remember, my dear friends, what Peter Parker once said.
Nako,
That with great power comes great responsibility. Thank you so much.
Did he quote Spider-Man?
Basta Spider-Man na ako.
Oh,
Great
Peter
power
Parker.
comes great, or with great power comes great responsibility?
Yeah.
Isn't that from Spider-Man?
Peter Parker.
Nice.
Peter Parker ba yun?
Wow.
Oh.
Okay. Palakpakan po. Once again, Jason
Mga
Tae.
tugtog, may tugtog.
Grabe, pinatay na.
Tatanungin namin ng MC.
Tatanungan natin ng
Later.
mga ating kurado. Binibining kurba. Ano pong masasabi niyo? Binibining kurba. Kailangan niyo pong maghurado. Sige, palakasan ng palakpakan. Number
Wala
1.
muna tugtog, te.
Asa ba yung tugtog, mama?
Ito.
Uwi na, lasing na, tulog na. Ang dakilang albularyong bakla na Inglesera. At ang diwatang walang buhos. Anta. Kala niya kalita.
Ay, palos.
Ayan pa walang pakagpo natin once again ang susunod niya na balik.
Ano mo siya? Ilan yung po?
Ginalo. Ay, ganda! Oh. Nice.
I thought she was going over the top.
And again, the Madam O-ring.
Dali yan,
And an O-ring?
Ito po si Galema. Galisma. Ang kampo ni Suma.
Jason, anak ni Marisa.
Ito siya po si, hindi ko na, Win. May palakpak ka. Mark Jason Tae!
Pakpak.
Palakpak, ay, nanalay po siya sa palakpak, hindi ka ng palakpak at hiniyawan. Mark Jason Tae!
Huh?
Ayan po, may pumalakpak pong isa. Ginamit lang ng
I'm lost. What are we doing? We're just clapping?
Number 2, Yuri, Diwata Pasaway. Please, kami na yung pamanalo, check. Palakpakan po. At sino manalo para sa inyo? Bibigyan ko ba? Ikaw, sino manalo para sa inyo? Number 1 and 2. 1 or 2? 1. Russell, number 1 or number 2?
It was a tie.
5.
Yeah, I think so.
5 part?
I think
Alexa, 1 or 2? 1 or 1, 3 and 1. Kasi it's a tayo. Ikaw, madam. 1. 1.
are we voting for the best or the worst?
Oh, kung pala sa the worst. Paka-explain ulit. At nang nanalo ay si Mark Jason Pae. Dahil po siya. Dahil dyan meron kang red card. Nanalo ka. Ito na po ang kanyang prize.
Ay, meron talaga?
Miss Kit.
Ay, may prize talaga? Wow! Cash prize!
Sali ko.
Ang prize ni Kit na.
Wow!
Nagpinalingan ko.
Speech.
What do you get?
Dapat na kasi money.
Money. I would have entered the contest if I know it was a cash prize.
Kailangan mo
Consolation prize!
Ano ka? Consolation prize. Oh, kayo magbigay. Consolation prize. Bago. O mag-winning speech ko ka. Thank you ka sa mga supporter mo.
Thank you so much. I didn't expect this pageant that I will be the winner. But ladies and gentlemen, I am so blessed and I am so... Ano ba yun? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Cutter ka, Gigi. Pero lang mo yung cutter mo.
Tama na nga.
Oy, amin. Sorry.
All right.
Mabigay-bigay na ko.
Sorry lang yan. Bakla. Asan yung hindi ka mo? Ang bao. Ang po mo. Putang ina mo ba ako?
Puzzle? You want to go finish your puzzle?
No.
Let's.
Finger.
Ikahanap ko yung abang dito.
Wala ka na yan.
Why?
Finger. Joke lang yan.
My toenails are fine.
Bek, tapos ka na mag-charge.
Don't hurt me. Ow! Ooh, that's all.
Bigo na. Ay.